ZCore Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The ZCore Wallet app might not be a household name yet, but it's gaining traction among crypto users who value decentralization and rewards. So what makes this wallet different, and what are its real strengths and weaknesses? Let's find out. Let's start with the pros. The ZCore Wallet is part of the broader ZCore network, a blockchain ecosystem built to support masternodes, staking and decentralized services. The wallet gives users direct access to these features, allowing them to earn passive income by running masternodes or stakings in coins right from the app. It's designed for simplicity and transparency. Users can send, receive and monitor transactions in seconds with a clear display of balances and rewards. For those already in the ZCore ecosystem, it's a reliable way to manage assets without relying on third-party wallets. Security is another strength. The ZCore wallet is non-custodial, meaning users maintain full control of their private keys. This ensures your funds are safe, even if the network itself experiences issues. The app also supports multi-platform access, including desktop and mobile versions. It's lightweight, making it efficient even on older devices, and it syncs seamlessly across them for a consistent experience. Now, the cons. Because it's built primarily for the ZCore ecosystem, coin support is limited. You won't find Bitcoin, Ethereum, or most major tokens here, which makes it more of a niche wallet than a mainstream one. Another issue is low liquidity on ZCore markets. While staking rewards can look appealing, trading or converting them into other assets may require extra steps through external exchanges. Finally, ZCore's smaller community and limited documentation can make onboarding tricky for beginners. In summary, the ZCore Wallet app is a solid choice for users who believe in the ZCore ecosystem and want full control of their masternode rewards. The surprising truth? It's less about holding mainstream coins and more about participating in a decentralized economy built around its own network.